The energy and the power industry has made a great contribution to the rapid growth of global economy by powering industrial manufacturing, urban construction, and the citizens' lives. Nowadays, we have come into the age of achieving emission peak and a carbon neutrality. We need energy saving and green energy supply methods, as well as improvement in transmission efficiency. Century is a high-tech enterprise focusing on high-efficient power transmission in the road transit industry. Formerly known as a wholly owned subsidiary of NKT Cables, the company was acquired by Century in 2016 based on the company's advanced German technology. We continue researching and innovating, creating value for customers, and providing high-efficient solutions for power transmission system. Cables and cable accessories are necessary components for power transmission. The senior engineer from Germany is an expert in this field, and today, let's follow his steps and enjoy the world of Century's cable accessories.
Dear friends, welcome to Century. My name is Hasan Çetin from Germany. Today, I will guide you through our innovation. Century is a high-tech enterprise in field of rail, transit and power transmission. Today, we focus on the business unit cable accessories and several new products that we developed independently. This is our pumping unit. This is a unique innovation of our design and our engineering. We have here the raw material from our German supplier. This material gets sucked above the vacuum system in a vessel where 100% the bubbles vacuum. With the two pumping system, we are able to make it continuously casting. Then let me show you the casting process. This casting unit is designed and engineered by Century. Our highest requirement could fulfill only one supplier in Germany. This machine are able to cast 10 different sizes of mold under vacuum conditions, and the traceability is safe. We are able to follow all technical details. Let me show you now the demolding area. Follow me. Safety first. Let me wear my helmet. We are here in a demolding area. The tools have their own parking position for safety demolding. All our tools designed by Century and is easy to demold, later to assemble. Before we enter the clean room, we have to clean our casting tool dust and dirty free. After cleaning, the operators will wear the right equipment and move with the tool through the ventilator airlock to the cleaning room. The tools are assembled under the highest clean conditions. Clean the electrodes and close the tool. They will take the exit from the second gate to move to the casting machine. Let's go to the next step. Our product range is 31 pieces of different sizes. The sizes are from switchgear, auto termination, and connection joints. All silicon bodies are designed by us with the software system, name it Enesys. All these silicon bodies are grinded in our grinding area. This is the next step, what I want to show to you. This is our grinding room. Every silicon body has party lines. These party lines has to be machined according to our technical requirements. This is the connector for switchgear. This design is by Century. has very tight tolerances. To keep the high quality level, we decide to machining all these parts by ourselves. Top plate, base plate, or other connections are machined with our milling and turning machines. This is our machining center. We machine here the most important parts in accessories, like connector, top plate, and base plate. All these parts are very tight tolerances. This color keeps the high quality level. This is the reason why we decide to making the machining part by ourselves. Safety first on building site. Our fitters are well trained and certificated. They have many years experience on building site under hardest conditions. They follow the rules according to our menu. This is my favorite place in the whole workshop. Test lab are equipped with the newest technology, up to 450 kV. We are able to routine test our termination, switchgear, outdoor, and connection joints. After creating the test report, we are able for packaging. Every item is labeled. It's easy to find in the part list. Before we deliver, we have to make a cross-check. After we have our cross-check, now we are able to deliver to our customers. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the short journey with Century. It is always our pleasure to have you as our guest here in Changzhou. See you